Hello guys, so today we are here for our review about the Alien Cosmetics, Unearthly Cosmetics Now Full of Magic palette. If you'd like to see what I think about the palette and if you'd like to see the 3 looks I created with this one, please keep watching. Palette, this is the inside of the palette. It's amazing. I love the color scheme, and you see these 3 shades are duochrome, so they are changing colors. Look, I don't think I'm able. Look at this. This is the green. Look how shifting to lilac and bluish purple. Oh, this is amazing. I did 3 looks. I would love. This is very difficult. I didn't have enough time to do more because you have plenty of options. As you can imagine, I loved the palette. Quality is amazing. Both matte and shimmers are gorgeous. Mattes are not. I didn't have a lot of fallout, just once, I guess, with the greens, if I remember correctly. But you will see in the 3 looks. Shimmers are crazy. Today I'm wearing this shade, these 2 mixed, and this one here. And look, this is a neutral look, but this is stunning. I also have on my lips an Alien Cosmetics lip gloss. This is called Glint. It's from the dark something collection. So let's go to the swatches. I will swatch in column. So first one will be this column here. So this is Cashmere, the shade I have on my lid today. Then we have Magic. This is another amazing shade. Look, this is purple, but this is also brown. Look, deep purple, brownish. Look, oh my god, this was so amazing. Look at now. It's not easy to pick up this duochrome shade. Look. Last one is Branch. This is a very dark brown, but it's so amazing, a really amazing shade. Look, this is stunning. Okay, let me clean my hand. Then we have 3 mattes. You have a lot of mattes in this palette, but oh my god, they are also good. You know, I love Alien actually, so it's easy for me to have a better opinion on the brand. This is Spiced. It's the brown I have on my eyes today. Then there is Hurt. This green is so amazing. It's a forest green, I guess. And this is Bonfire. I think it's a character of some movie. Not a book, not sure. And they are very they're not creamy, but they are very consistent. They are not powdery. I don't know how to explain actually, but this is very good. Then we have 3 shimmers. Oh my god, Change, and the name could have been better because it's plenty of reflects, this one. Look, can you see? This is amazing. Look at now. It's blue and gold, but it's pink, lavender. No, not pink, lavender. Then we have Autumn, and then we have Leaves. And this is another shade I love so much. Okay, so this is Autumn. It's a gold orangey shade. And then we have Leaves. Okay, Leaves is down here. Look. Oh my god, this one is such a gorgeous shade. Come on, focus on my hand. So this is a, I think, can I say this one is one of the best palettes from Alien? Yes, I can. I have still to try two palettes from her. These are, Cocoa, Cozy and Snug. And these are creamier than the darker shade. They are still good, they are very pigmented. This is a very cute palette. So if you have the possibility to pick it up, I think it will be available in the future again, if it's not now, because this is a very beautiful palette. You should ask for it. You should ask for it for sure. So I leave you to the 3 looks, and I hope you enjoy. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Just say hi. It's enough for me, but I would be very pleased to read some more comments. Okay. If you're wondering, my earrings are from AliExpress, but these are quite cute actually. Look at them. They are so sparkly. And I do not have any hole. I had one once, but I'm allergic to every kind of metal. So these are so cute. Okay, see you soon. Bye guys.